You might be wondering, how did I manage to create these kinds of animations and effects inside my GoHighLevel agency website? With these cool animations and effects, I create trust between me and my clients, which leads me to charge them a high ticket price for the website I built for them. And the main reason you don't get any clients with your website is because your website looks something like this. Boring, outdated, not interactive, and doesn't convert clients at all. Think about this. If you can't even build a good looking website for yourself, how do you think your client's gonna trust you to build a good looking website for them? And that's why I'm gonna show you some cool effects I've implemented in my GoHighLevel website to get more clients within my agency. No, you can't implement these kinds of custom animations inside your GoHighLevel website builder because currently they don't have these features at the moment, and I use custom CSS code to spice up my website. And if you want to build an amazing looking, high converting website for you and your client, watch this video until the end. We are inside the GoHighLevel website builder to show you how to implement this before and after image slider effect. We should add new section, full width, and one column, and you have to add a code, custom HTML JavaScript code, and let's change this background into white. And for this we have to get the code from GoHighLevel code snippets. You get to see two different before and after effect, one's for PC and one's for mobile. To also make it as a mobile friendly, I'll show this mobile after finishing the PC view. You have to copy this code, go into the GoHighLevel website builder and open the code editor, paste and save. As you can see, that's a before and image placeholder. For that you have to open the code. When you scroll down, you get to see src, your image link before, your image link after. So you have to change this placeholder to your link, which you have it inside your media storage, which is this. I have already uploaded the images inside, which is this. Get link, go inside the builder, open code, scroll down and change where it says image link after, because the link I copied was the after image. Paste, save, voila, it's there. And we need to get the before link as well. So this is the before image link. Get the link, go back to the code, open the code editor and scroll down, find the link for the before, your image link before, paste the link and save it. As you can see, the image slider is working properly, but you can't slide it inside the website builder. To see if it's actually working, you have to save it. And before showing if it's working, let it save, we have to go to the Canva. For the effect to work properly, the image should be at the same size and same width, which I built in the Canva. As you can see, just to copy the laptop element, put the screenshot inside and do the same on the other image. And you can do whatever you want. You don't have to put a laptop image in it. Just for the sake of my website, I made the laptop. You can make, for example, if you are a barbershop owner or a beauty salon owner, you can show your before image with the before hair or before a skin product or something, and you can show what you can get from your service on after, so that your client can slide before and after to see the results. It's going to be interactive for your clients and they will book an appointment. So let's see if the animation actually worked. So let's go on a preview. As you scroll down, you can see the effect. And if you want this website, the link is inside the description. Voila, there it is. And it's working properly. And the buttons are working properly. That's it. It's that simple. Just to keep it in mind, don't change anything else. Just change the links, which is specified inside the link, your after link and your before link. That's it. You just have to save it. And to have a mobile view, because if you try to change this into mobile view, you can't see this clearly, because it's definitely the padding is wide enough, because if you don't have to change any codes to make it as mobile friendly. So what I do is copy this section, and this is going to be the PC view. Go to advanced and visibility, switch off for your mobile. And for this, go to advanced, switch off the PC view. And when you go inside the mobile mode, if you want to change the slider section into mobile friendly view, go into the GoHighLevel code snippets. You can find the mobile view as well. There it is. Copy the code, go back and open the code editors. Cut the whole code and copy this one and save it. As you can see, the image has been shrunken down to be in a mobile friendly view. You have to do the same with this code as well. As you scroll down, there's a link for before image and after image. There it is. That's the before image. You have to put the before image link here and after image link here. We're going to do the same. Go inside the media, get the links, go inside the code and replace the code with the actual code. Save. We got the before image. This is the after image, and we're going to do the same for the before image. Save it. And it's done. You have to save the website and go into the preview. As you can see, the PC view is working properly. Refresh it. And if you want to see the mobile view, click F12. And when you scroll down, instead of having the PC view, you have the mobile view, and it works properly as well. And the buttons work properly as well. Keep these three things in your mind. You shouldn't use any other class if you're using this code, and you should always use similar images with the same height and width, or else you're not going to get this smooth view like this. It's going to be ups and downs. And the last thing, you should only change the link of the image, and you shouldn't change anything else, which is stated here, before image and after image. If you took care of that, everything will be working smoothly like this.
I hope you got some values from this video, and you can get this custom CSS code in the first link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.